Hello. So today we'll be working on math level 3, and these are the students that are in math level 3: Ezequiel Garcia, Javier Garza, Victor Ivan Nava, Jonathan Estrada, Catherine Martin, Jeronimo Morin, and Audrina Flores. So let's look for your worksheets, and we're doing today Tuesday, complete lesson 2, activity 2, page 79 and 80. So this is what we're doing today. Lesson 2, activity 2, page 79. Question number 1. Today is May the 4th, which is right here, May 4th. Circle 5 days later. So you count 5 days after, and then you circle it. Question number 2. Count the grasshoppers. How many are there? So you count them and you circle the number. Next page. This is an example. I just want you to know the difference between greater than, less than, and equal to. So here are some examples. 5 is greater than 4. And here, 5 is less than 8. How do you remember the number signs? Always remember 5 is greater than 4. So you see how the opening right here is bigger? So the bigger side always points to the bigger number. And you see how this is small? It always points to the smaller number. Same right here, the big opening points to the big number. And the small corner points to the small number. So this is the other lesson that you have, lesson 2, activity 2. It says circle the set that has the less than the other. So which one has less? Go ahead and put a circle on them. And question number 4 here is also for this one right here. So put the symbol for less than in the square. So right here, remember, they want to see which is less. So what way is the little n gonna point? And the big one. So always remember. You can always go back. You can go back to the to this page and refresh, which one, where does the little n point? To the little number, and the big mouth opens to the big number. So the last one, question number 5, is how many inches long is a grasshopper? Use a ruler to measure. So go ahead and get a ruler out and measure how long the grasshopper is. Make sure it's in inches, and you write the amount right here. Once you're finished with the activities or the lessons, please submit them into teams. And if you can't, go ahead and send them to your teacher, and they will upload them for you. Let's get started.